Hey everybody, just wanted to provide a quick tutorial on how to use some of these basic features of Google Sites for our eighth grade team website editing purposes. So two things mainly that I want to point out here. So we are going to share this Google site with you and give you editing privileges to it. We're still in the process of getting the structure set up correctly, but the two main things I wanted to show everybody in case you weren't sure how to do it were just uploading a picture thumbnail to go next to your name on the homepage, and then how to go into the page that we're going to set up for each teacher to edit your stuff. So first we'll look at the picture. So if you click next to your name and go to images under insert images, I texted myself a picture from my phone that I liked for this purpose, and I just saved it to my desktop, and it's right here. So I'm going to just upload it from my desktop right here. Click open. And I don't want this entire picture as my thumbnail. I just want it zoomed in on me. So I'm going to first resize this a little bit, make it a little bit thinner, and then eventually I'm going to crop it as well. So first this, and then I'm going to crop it. And this right here, this drag bar, if you drag it to the right, it zooms in. So I want it dragged in here a little bit more. So I'm going to do that. And once I'm satisfied with it, I would click the checkbox, and then I would be able to just drag that picture up here and drop it next to my name. Okay, so that's how you would do that. And as for the pages, under the pages tab up here on the edit bar on the right side here, there's going to be a page set up for everybody. So let me just go into this current template first, because everybody's going to basically have a template that's going to say their name on the right here, but then you're just going to put your information in here. So you would just double click and just edit by typing your name in here. I left an example of what Molly Bailey did for hers on the Remote Learning Academy website in case you want a little, I guess, head start or help in getting started on what you could say there, just as a little introduction. Communication right there. So you could type your email, just edit it just like you would a Word doc or a Google Doc or anything for that matter. And it saves automatically. You don't have to press save or anything. When you edit, it's going to save, and that's that. So hopefully it'll be a pretty easy process for everybody. And if not, I'm happy to help, and I'm sure there's lots of other people that could help you on the eighth grade team if you need anything as well. So, all right, thanks everybody.